Dear students, once again, welcome to the online lecture of sociology. We are already discussed about the first chapter, Introduction to Indian Society, which one is based on the ancient and medieval India, colonial period, and post-independence period. Means the historical perspective of the Indian society. And I am given exercise as a homework for tomorrow. You have to do all the exercise on your notebook. The special notebook for sociology is compulsory, and everybody is to write your all the question and answer as well as objective type of question also. Now the second topic of sociology is second chapter is segment of Indian society. What do you mean by segment? Segment means parts or a division. Means parts of Indian society or a division of Indian society. And the division of Indian society is tribal, rural, and urban community. Tribal, rural, and urban is the basis of their locality, language, and their different identities. That's why, especially sociology, studied the different division of the Indian society on the basis of their different features. In this lesson, you will learn about important aspect of segment of Indian society, that is tribal, rural, and urban. Indian society has been broadly divided into tribal, rural, and urban communities on the basis of their geographical differences and socio-cultural features. Tribal people marked by a distinct culture, language, economy, and religion, as well as live in relative isolation. They are considered socio-economically backward classes when compared to the rural and urban communities. Tribal is one of the backward communities in India because of their socio-economic and educational backwardness. On the other hand, the rural and urban communities differ from on the basis of their physical environment, way of life, norms, values, and a large number of other factors such as density of population, economic activities, poverty, caste, class, family, and religion. Each and every aspect of the social life of the people is very unique and very diverse. Especially urban community comprises of non-agricultural sectors like industries and services. However, there has been a continuous interaction between all these three segments. Means tribal migrated to the rural areas and rural migrated to the urban areas. Means migration is a continuous process whereby different people migrated to the cities and metropolitan cities. And the first segment of Indian society is tribal community. The basic question of this topic is, what do you mean by tribal? What do you mean by tribe? Tribe is one of the backward or a negligible communities whereby they don't have any access to the means of lives. Their livelihood is only based on their existence Means the term tribe had multiple meanings. Despite the lack of precise meanings for tribes, this did not cause much confusion as long as it was possible to locate them and differentiate them from other groups. For example, rural and urban. This was the case in Australia, Melanesia, and North America when tribal people were first studied by anthropologists. You know, we are already discussed about what we mean by anthropology. Anthropology is one of the discipline in sociology, studies specially human beings and their cultures. In India as well as Africa, however, the situation has been quite different. India is the second largest tribal population in the world, and Africa is first. This is the biggest group which correspond to the anthropologist's definitions of tribe have lived in long association with communities of an entirely different types. For example, rural and urban. Thus, it is very difficult to come across communities which retain all their pristine characteristics. Sociologists Andre Battelli hold the view that the categories in social sciences are so diversified that it seems pointless to arrive at a clear cut definition of such categories. In India, especially Western definitions do not help in locating inner tribes. Emphasis need to be given to the historical perspectives, that is, the process by which tribes have been transformed. According to Bhomik Deshmukh, the term Adivasi is an umbrella term for a heterogeneous set of ethnic and tribal groups, believed to be the aboriginal population of India. Aboriginal, ab means those who are original in Indian country, Indian society, as well as those who are belongs to the originally in India. Yeah, for example, inhabiting populations in Indian society, those who are already original. These comprise a substantial minority of the population of India. Scholars like David Hardiman also prefer to use the term Adivasi because it relates to a particular historical development during the 19th century. Adivasis, according to Hardiman, are a group who have evolved a collective identity having shared a common fate under colonial rule. Today, Adivasi groups are a politically assertive category which, along with Dalits, make up a large section of the marginalized communities in India. You know, the Indian society is very diverse and very unique with their composition. And one of the backward community is Adivasis. It is called in different names. For example, tribes, Adivasis, Adim Jamati, Paharis, Vanyajati, Vanvasi, etc. The term tribe, which has been used all along, has come in for questioning in its precise meaning, it for to a community of people claiming descent from a common ancestor. Means all the people within the tribal community, everybody are belonging to the common ancestors because they believe in Manaism, and Mana is the supernatural power of their ancestors. But in its application, it is used to cover a variety of social and economic forms and biological and racial entities. According to the definition and the meaning of the tribal community is, a tribe is a group of people speaking a common dialect, inhabiting a common territory, and displaying a certain homogeneity in their culture. means a group of people, special group of people, everybody are speaking a common language and inhabiting a common territory, means everybody are live in forest and displaying their certain homogeneity. Homogeneous means all are same, all are common in their culture, means all the tribal culture is common. The tribal community comprise 8.6%, that is approximately 68 million of the population of the country. But according to the 2011 census, 8.2% of India's total population, and the number is 8 crore 40 lakhs 26,240 approximately. There are known by the different names. For example, Paharis, Vanyajati, Vanvashi, Adim Jamati, and Adivasi also. Adivasi means those who are already settled in long back year ago. And Adim Jati means, Adim is the Marathi word, means those who are live in primitive, primarily in this community, primarily in this country. Vanavasi means those who are live in forest, and Paharis means those who are live in mountains. According to the article 366 of the section 25 of the Constitution of India, refer to a scheduled tribes as a scheduled tribes means ST as those communities which are protected under the schedule according to article 342 of the Indian Constitution. According to article 342, define the terms of the speaking common dialect, common territory, and common language. This is the characteristics of the article 342. According to this, is called as a tribal community, scheduled tribes. They are also known as Anusuchit Janajati or a scheduled tribes also, because Indian Constitution is also defining the term of scheduled tribes. The religion, location, and name of the tribes, especially Himalayan religion, it has a three sub region: northeastern Himalayan region, central Himalayan region, and northwest Himalayan region. And the name of the tribe is Garo, Khasi, Jainta, Naga, Mizo, Khasa, Lepcha, and Gadi. These are already found in the Himalayan region. Middle Indian region, especially Bihar, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Odisha, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, over 55% of the tribal population in India live in this particular zone. Gond, Santhal, Munda, Ho, Oraon, and Birhor. And Western Indian region is especially Rajasthan, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Goa, Dadra and Nagar Haveli. It has about 1 crore tribal population. Bhil, Katkari, Warli, and Baina. South Indian region, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, and Kerala. About 1/6 tribal population of the India is found in the southern region. Toda, Kota, Irula, Badga, Chenchu, and Kurumba. And the island region, just like Andaman and Nicobars in the Bay of Bengal, and Lakshadweep in the Arabian Sea. Andamanis, Nicobaris, Orang, Onge, Jarva, and Sentinels. These are the name of the community and their region. And the definition is already given in the textbooks also. According to Andre Bettel's definition, a tribe is a society having a clear linguistic boundary and generally a well-defined political boundary. It is with the latter that regular determinate ways of acting are imposed on its members. The tribe also has a cultural boundary, much less well defined, and this is the general frame for the modes, folkways, and the formal and informal interaction of these members. Means, according to this definition, the tribe should fulfill the following criteria. A tribe is a society, just like within particular specific 3 point is already in red line. For example, linguistic boundary, political boundary, and cultural boundary also. According to this definition, tribe should be fulfill the following criteria. It should have its distinct language, religious beliefs, and culture, which should qualify to be considered as a primitive. It should have an isolate existence. Means everybody's are already live in forest areas, isolation. It should be extremely backward, both educationally and economically. Means economically and educationally backward class community, extremely backward class community is tribes. The term tribe and scheduled tribe are complementary and not contradictory. Both are generally used in same meaning. There is no any contradiction. Only the same meaning of the definition. Now the one more definition is very simple. Ralph Linton. Tribe is a group of people, group of bands occupying a contiguous territory or territories and having a feeling of unity deriving from numerous similarities in a culture, frequent contacts, and certain community of interests. See, 2 or 3 definition is very simple definition is given here. The tribal society, another definition is L.M. Lewis. Tribal societies are small in scale and are restricted in the spatial and temporal range of their social, legal, and political relations, and possess a morality, a religion, and a worldview of their corresponding dimensions. This is the definition of the tribal communities. What are the criteria according to the 342 articles? As per these articles, scheduled tribes are group of communities that have been declared by the President of India as possessing the following characteristics. 1. Primitive traits, means primitive. Their occupation, their qualities of the people is primitive, primarily based primitive traits. Second one is geographic isolation. Third one is distinct culture. Geographically means definite territory and everybody's are living in isolation. Distinct culture means unique culture, right? And the shy of contact with the larger community. As well as the last one is economic backwardness, means economic and educational backwardness. Contact with the larger community is very shy of the contact of the larger community. Distinct culture, geographic isolation, and primitive traits. This is the criteria of the Article 342. However, when specific definition of these tribes are applied in the Indian situation, it is found that many groups do not exactly fit in scheduled tribes can also be ascertained by the fact that they have a live apart in hills, and even where they live on the apart in hills, and even they were live on the plains also. They lead a separate and excluded existence and are not fully assimilated into the main body of the people. They may be belong to any religion. In brief, a tribe to be a specified scheduled tribes should fulfill the following criteria also, just like the distinct language, their belief, religion, quality, consider their primitive. And the first one is, the criteria is, the term tribe and scheduled tribes are complementary and not a contradictory. We are already discussed it. According to LP Vidyarthi, has given a five-fold geographical classification of the tribal people on the basis of ecological, social, economic, administrative, ethnic and racial. The table we are already discussed it. Page number the 24. The region wise: Himalayan region, Western region, Middle Indian region, South region and the island regions. Means the first criteria of the tribal communities: geographical distribution of Indian tribes. Second one is the next one, geographical isolation. Following are the basic characteristics of the tribal communities. Geographically, a definite territory. They have usually a well demarcated geographical territory. They live in clusters called as padas, which are generally located in the remote areas or hilly region. Today, however, many tribes people have migrated to rural villages and come to the cities, and in the course of time they have a mix with the non-tribal people also. But the first criteria of the first characteristics of the tribal community is the geographical isolation or a definite territories. Each and every tribes is live in the forest, mountain, hills, or other regions, those who are already isolated. Second characteristics of the tribal community is economic life. We are already discussed about the distribution of geographical distribution: northeastern Himalayan region, central, northwest, Khasi, Naga, Mizo are already found in the north region. The Khasi are the very famous indigenous or tribal people, the majority of whom live in the state of Meghalaya in northeast, especially Mizoram, Meghalaya, with a small population in neighboring Assam and in parts of the Bangladesh also. The Khasi people are belong to the Mongoloid race. They are matriarchal, just like Khasi, Naga, Mizo, Toda, Karnaval are found. They are found actually a matriarchal family structure. The Nagas earlier head hunters. Their head was shown by the as a hunters. This is shown by the Naga women, Khasi woman and Naga woman. Different tribes live in the different region. Mizorams, the Nagaland and Mizorams, India's northeast Himalayan region. Mizos people are native to the northeastern India, western Myanmar, Brahma, now Brahma, and eastern Bangladesh, who speak a Mizo language, their language belonging to the Tibeto-Brahman language family. Means Indo-Aryan, one of the family, this is not belongs to here, but one of the Tibeto-Brahman language family. Middle Indian region, just like his first one, northeast, geographical northeastern region, Middle East, Bihar, Jharkhand, West Bengal and all. 55% tribals live in these areas, just like the Gond, Santhal, Munda, Huran, Ho. The Munda tribes have their own dialect, Mundali, which is one of the division of the Austroasiatic language family, Tibeto-Burman language family, and here Austroasiatic language family belonging to the Proto-Australoid racial stock, just like his. Now the next one is tribals in the western region, especially Warli is famous for their paintings, Warli paintings. Maharashtra, Gujarat, Goa, Dadar, Nagar Haveli and Rajasthan. that type of the people was settled in the hilly regions and the mountains, especially Bhil. Bhil is one of them. Their dress styles is very unique. Now the tribes in South India, Todas. Todas is very famous for their polygamy system. Means woman marries more than a man. Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, southern region, and the Toda, Kota, Irula, Badaga, Chenchu, and Kurumba. Toda is one of the tribal community. The woman is shown here in Toda community. Just like is Chenchus are here, Toda women, and the houses, their huts were shown here. Toda is one of the famous tribal community in India. Tribe is one of the most ancient and unusual tribe of Nilgiri hills of Tamil Nadu. The Todas have their own language, have their own secretive customs and regulations. Todas worship nature like hill gods, Lord Amdor, the realm of the dead and goddess. Toda community is well known for its embroidery garments in olden days, and the Todas had a tradition. Today Toda is male is cremated and the fire is lit by the wood of kids sticks, and the female's fire is ignited with an ordinary sticks. According to the Toda communities, the goddesses Teikirsi with her brother first created by the sacred buffalo and then the first Toda man. The first Toda woman is created from the right rib of the first Toda man. Thank you.